artificial Christmas cake baking today.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Jing, 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 jingle bells. 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 Jing, 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 jing.
Merry Christmas.
Right now is this big bucket full of cake mixture. So so far in my work on the wet ingredients part, I'm already add the eggs and so forth in it. What is in this? The sugar, the eggs, the butter. Yeah. So yeah, so we bought this big bucket yesterday in order to why the big bucket? Why we buy the big bucket? Oh yeah, to not allow the mixture to splash all over the place, because we do have this big base, but for the amount of cake, when we say amount, so the lollipop on here 1, 2, 3 and 6, and him even said probably we're gonna need more than this amount of pan for the amount of cake we're planning to bake. So that's what's up, that's what's happening. You add all of the eggs already? Oh, so me actually whipping out the flour. And me I go whip out the flour? So people are my time to work with the flour and so forth. So I go sieve up the flour.
Yourself, a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up, 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 up.
Alright guys, he's pouring the mixed fruit and raisin and all of that. So a while ago I was able to see that the mixed fruit, and you can even see some of it now. So he pour it in the batter already. Him did blend it up. He had it soaking, as you all know, or probably for people just joining. He had it soaking for a while, and he blended up this morning before him started this. So it not look like too much mixed fruit in the eye. Good. You good? Oh. Alright people, my little part of me I play over here, so the flour sieving. We didn't pull that. So we gotta pull this one now to add into the sieve to him for the rest of the flour, because this is definitely not enough for the amount of butter we are going over there. So yeah. And oh, this time I want to feature set him have everything. Oh sorry. Well, I come pick them up, Grizzle. Him getting browning. This time him getting come pick them up. So first him get extra browning or new browning. Him get, this is what's this? Pass it up. This is artificial almond flavoring. People, yesterday they had like what the other one then, yeah? The better one, but the bottle cost like 800 or something. I would just put it down back. We're like, no. This one is what? Cinnamon. I'm gonna zoom up on your phone. Alright, this one is cinnamon powder, and see there? So we get the mixed spice now, and we have vanilla and baking powder. Yeah. So, oh, a little thing though, this is the cheap vanilla. You guys don't have to buy the big Benjamin's brand vanilla. That this size costs what, about $200? Or $160, right? Somewhere there. This size of Benjamin vanilla is way expensive than this. I think this vanilla that we bought, the vanilla set, this was what, $85? This was $85. So yeah. So he went ahead and add some of the dry ingredients there already. Alright, so He's mixing it in. Alright guys, this is what's going on. So alright, Mr. Odin, while we're doing this, let's do an interview. Who taught you how to bake? Be honest. Tashoya Caballero or YouTube?
My grandmother.
Who?
My granny.
She taught you how to bake or you just saw her cooking?
I didn't know if you teach me. Sit down and watch.
Alright, so Mr. Wisdom, how many times have you failed this job?
So you have to feel to be successful in life.
Alright, so based on the last cake that you baked, how you think this one is going to come out? Wait, what I mean, how it will come out? You think this is going to make it a A plus? A plus plus? Not to be A? I say a B plus is okay? A C is okay? So, you think we're going to enjoy a C plus cake?
That bother me.
Boy, people, I'll see it tonight. Cause the last one did bad. He only did one the extra fruits. I mean, tell him to write down the recipe, you know, people. And him don't believe that writing no recipe. And you say if you write down your recipe, at least you not have a better idea. Or you keep it in your mind. Eh?
Recipe the way for them.
Okay. Work it, sir. Okay. One big bucket of cake, you know, people. One big bucket of cake. Alright. Babe, so you feel back your hand on the floor. Okay? Never say black mat show all the dirt. Now, but I check out the floor upon you. Alright, people. We're here working with the floor. Guys, this is smelling good. This is popping right now. Alright, what bring up the flavor of the almond? Him add the almond and the almond shot. Almond shot, nah lie. Smell good. Can I put the rose water in there?
Which rose water? Almond and rose water?
No, the one in the almond and rose.
No rose water.
We did put on the rose water. You know, put the rose water in there?
No.
Remember the rose water did bring up the flavor last time?
No, I never even know.
You might not put rose water in a film.
This is bow, man. But there's only thing why I look funny because I want to see how this. After I don't mix it, I want to see it.
Alright, people. Let him do his thing. Because last time the rose water did hot enough in it. Where what? And no rose water this time. Make it stay. Now say nothing, now put nothing in there, people, because I don't want to do it here, see me. You know, put it on the floor. Alright, guys. Second throwing of brownie inside the cake. You have to work on the brownie this time with the people, because you don't want a brown cake this time. You want black chocolate cake.
Where you get chocolate from?
Oh, black, what you call this?
Fruit.
Black fruit cake. Mommy's calm, mother did a calm. What mommy want now? Alright, people, so, and as you can see, the brownie not reach down here yet. It not reach down here yet, guys. So, he's working it. Chef Grizzly's working it. That's your move. Brownie done? You done? Okay. That good?
I'm a brownie up there.
In your bag. When you
This actually not.
where you done enough? Work see how far this guy go. Lord God, people. Inna the deck.
One back brownie to the bake.
Inna the deck brownie go down. Lord God.
Oh, good. Good.
You say good, you sure?
You see black?
Which part?
I don't mix it.
I don't see black yet. Turn.
You have to eat all black like this for your license.
Me know, but turn this. May I turn it upside down here? Why? But turn it upside down so most like leak out.
Then we'll pull it fit there.
So you're not gonna pull it over
What
that
are you going
again?
to cock the waist?
What are you gonna cut
Sky to
away?
each up in a cock. Everything now run out.
Well, you're not gonna creep out the cock. Alright guys.
Smell that?
You smell what? Huh?
Money.
Smell money? A money? Inside the market.
Inside there, alright. Cake black.
Put your side bun in there.
Yes, I am going to.
No, not a bun. No, put more water. You know you should put instead of water? When I make the vanilla. What your brain there? Instead of your water. Or you should mix the oil in there. Remember the oil. Alright people, this is a note for you. If you're baking this amount of cake, one browning cannot do the job.
Never plan to bake so much. But we think brownie they want more.
Yeah, exactly. Because one brownie lasts so long when we use it at home, right? So, it's crazy. Must make you know. I hope it come out perfect. At the end, we browning on the white curtain.
I'm browning at this. Before browning when I brown I last.
So all that will come off now. Now use your hand.
You know, ask me to come out so me I try to see me and can't
Oh,
take
me-
out it.
How it will come off, honestly. You never did want to look like this? Like it's side over here?
No, that's too black, you mad.
Say black.
People want me cake for black.
I never
I
want
want
it
it
black,
too
but
black.
look how your man look.
That go bitter.
Look how your man want look funny. Oh, this is after. Carry back to see your man want look funny video.
Tell me I'm interested how I looking.
I know how you look, but you want to make sure it come out well.
See, look, for money even darker. So
Darker than this? See you want darker than this?
compare. Okay.
Well, let's see.
A bit you want a bit so you can't say you feel.
No, I don't want to say feel. I just want to make sure it's you know feel.
Oh, you feel make sure you feel like
So,
yeah, do
let
you?
us say me I tell her,
Yeah,
make sure
you
it's
tell
no
me.
feel.
You want me to do?
I think about if you had everything already. No, just think about me. I say just go over. Alright, me gone.
Yeah, come on.
Me go put that part there, people. Me I'll do my 2 cents. Me look at 2 cents. But at the part. So guys, as I sit here about to contribute my another 2 cents, I am just here knowing that any part that I contribute to is the best part. So, alright people, so what I do, we just use they have the butter something. Oh, you're going to do like a man do with the flour. When he said, oh, I know everything is about video, but you see the man after I put the butter in the 3-1. No, but she probably no, but when me see him do it now, it just come to me when me I say it make you can just turn you over and it drop out. 11 cakes, people, 11 cakes. About 11 cakes, people. Watch ya. Watch ya.
I don't even tell you saying did it.
I did. Oh, we cake?
Yeah.
You have to go try it. Yeah, take out the water and put the water. Why? Try it. Nobody take out that.
You have to come out so I can see. Before you help me.
What me gonna help you do? What me gonna help you do? Tell me. Tell me.
Come
People,
on.
when you see this journal, girls, we had to take it off in order to use all of that space up there. All that space up there. I haven't touched one part of that one for Evelyn with a beer.
Me done, me tired.
Why? I don't want to be for the whole family and them things that happen, people. Them things that happen. See there? One bucket of something. One bucket of something. Remember me telling the last time about the party, yeah? If the party don't taste good, then the cake not. So, I what I do now?
I feel like hack.
I what I do now? Let's see. you did want more flour. In a taste like. Eh? Eh?
People, when want me times? Go me a sweat.
We're there have to wait upon it to come out, right? Alright.
No.
What? When it done, no, so me not eat none now. Me not gonna eat.
All it done, you burn from the kitchen.
No, me not gonna eat none now.
And me say when it done, you
Me
burn
gonna
from
wait
the
till you put it for soak and then me taste it after. Me don't want to come taste it.
One spray back.
Yeah, man, spray back out, wash it out.
What? With the alcohol I know.
Yeah, wash it out, alcohol the people.
Okay. No, follow you, because I'll fix somebody to kill her.
Remember, I best time now for add the alcohol. You know why? You know why? If you use at the back of there?
Think I chump this.
No, the alcohol kill whatever bacteria. So if look at alcohol gets in the cake, then that could work.
I think I chump this if you inject and drink alcohol and disinfectant.
Lord God, people, we are come back when the cake done. Alright? When it done, we're going to come back. Alright guys, the cakes are out. The cakes are out. In cake, them catch the color this time, people. Currently now, you must spread them with wine. So, this is the first spraying of wine. And then we're going to use them for them soaking and then we're going to spray them again. So, yeah. Only thing left to tell now if they're perfect at the test. So, tomorrow then we'll join us to finish out the vlog and tell her tomorrow.
Go, go.